Hi, welcome again to another toy review, and this is my second toy review. And today we will be reviewing the original 1986 Centurions toys made by Kenner. Alright, and this is the package. It arrived just around today. It was shipped 3 days ago, and now we will check what's inside of this thing. Let's hope that everything's complete, and we shall see my childhood right here once inside. These toys are based from the 1986 Centurions cartoon, and sure was a legendary toy line, and we shall check it out right now. So I'll be opening it right now, alright? And later we will be checking them out. Alright, let's go. Okay, so this box arrived intact and covered in bubble wrap. I'll just be opening this box and we shall check out what's inside this. Let's hope that this is the real deal. Okay? Alright. The toys are covered in bubble wrap, and I'm gonna remove them inside these bubble wraps. There you go. These are the toy set made by Kenner. It's the Centurions Power Xtreme 1986 toy line. Last time I had them was way back in 2018, and I bought them last 2014, but then it got lost for some reason, and now I have them again. So these are the Centurion toy lines. As you can see, they're all covered in bubble wrap and pretty much secured. So we would be expecting the three guys to appear, the three protagonists and the two bad guys, complete with their weapon system, and we shall open them one by one. So where do we start? I assume these are the three guys, these are the bad guys, and these are the weapon systems. So maybe let's start with this one, right? And I assume that this would be Ace McCloud, you know? So let's open it live. We have to be very careful with these toys. These toys go way back from 1986, and they've been taken cared of by their previous owner. Yeah, alright. So slowly. Alright, there you go. Okay, there he is. Alright, so there you go. That's Ace McCloud for you. Wow, these toys are awesome. Look at that. That's an awesome Ace McCloud. Can't believe I'm holding it again. I'm holding him again. After 40 years, I'm seeing Ace McCloud again live. So you could, if you guys are here, you would notice that the plastic's a little sticky, and that's a little bit natural. It comes with age, but man, I tell you, the joints are pretty tight, well taken care of for a toy that is almost 40 years old. So this will be Ace McCloud, the one who flies, and then we'll check out the other two, and we'll be opening it right now. You have to just be very careful with these guys. Can't fool around with these guys, because I don't know, compared say 8 or 10 years ago, these guys were cheaper, but now they're very expensive. So here you go. I assume this is Max Ray, and this would be Jake Rockwell. Let's start with Jake Rockwell, shall we? Slowly but surely. Alright, there you go. That's Jake Rocco for you. I have to say, these guys are, compared to the ones I've had before, these guys are better in terms of paint job. These guys are better in terms of paint job and joints and everything. They're pretty tight, well taken care of. Look at that. It's like you just bought them yesterday. Sans the sticky thing going on with the toys, but look at that. These are great, guys. They look like they've just been made yesterday. So this one's Ace McCloud, Jake Rockwell. Now let's go with Max Ray. We'll open him. So very careful. Have to be very careful with these guys. They're not fooling around. Huge shout out to the guys who did this, who really took care of these guys in terms of really just wrapping them with bubble wrap very well. So this is Max Ray. Check that out. It's got some nice construction. Look at that. Very tight joints. No problem at all. Look at that. This is Max Ray. So these are the Centurions, right? So this is Max Ray, this is Jake Rockwell, and Ace McCloud. And these guys collectively are known as the Centurions. Okay? And we'll be opening the bad guys now. And I guess we'll just be putting them here for a while. And then maybe let's arrange them the way they're presented here, over there. There you go. And then let's open up the bad guys, right? Shall we? And there you go. This would be Doc Terror, and this would be a Hacker. He's a bodyguard or lackey, and we shall be opening them. Maybe let's start with Hacker. Yeah. Doc Terror's right-hand man. Oh, check out the paint job. Alright. Ooh, there you go. That's Hacker for you. Let's remove his mask. I know you could see him. Wow. That's a splendid sculpture. The joints are very tight. I mean, for their age, they were very well taken care of. And this one goes with his... Yep, the gimmick is working. Gimmick is working. Should be put it there. So have to be very careful with this. Yep, it's working. My, that feels great. That's Hacker. And now let's open Doc Terror. This one's Doc Terror. Okay. Splendid. This is his mask. This will be his hands. Then you can open his mouth. Look at that. That's one scary dude. Okay. These toys seem like you just bought them yesterday. So awesome. There's no kidding around with these toys. It's amazing. Look at that. It's 5 guys. Just splendid, alright? Hacker, Max Ray, Ace McCloud, Jake Rockwell, and Doc Terror. Now let's check out the weapon systems and let's see if they are actually complete. Look at that! It's placed safely on a Ziploc, and we shall survey them. They are complete. And I should know because I know the weapon systems by heart. So this one is the Cruiser by Max Ray, and let's see his stuff if it's complete. And there's the helmet. Check out the logo. It's barely scratched. And the ones that you put on his back. There you go. Here you go. You know, these toys, they used to be so cheap, right? But then they became very expensive because of time, and then also, as time went by, some of this stuff have been lacking, so they had to buy some of the missing parts on eBay or in some forums online, which include the process of finding the missing parts. It makes the whole toy line much more expensive, but hey, we're not complaining. This is it. We have them, and then this is Sky Knight by Ace McLeod. Oh, right, sorry. Let's try putting this on Max Ray's head. Awesome! Woo! Right. This one is his helmet. Look at that. A little bent of the rubber material, but there you go. Looks very handsome, Ace McLeod. I wonder if his weapon systems are complete. But maybe I shouldn't be wondering at all, but because in actuality his weapons are very much complete. There you go. Same with the bad guys. This one belongs to Hacker. It's here. And these two are made for Doc Terror. So I'll put them here. Then, last but not the first, Fire Force by Jake Rockwell. Let's see if his weapon systems are complete. And guess what? It is complete. Sorry. So here's his helmet. It's amazing how they have retained the logo here. It's almost as they haven't been touched. And put right there. Wow. It's amazing how these things are still around. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Okay. Right. All complete. And I got a manual here, which is quite awesome. They taped it in cardboard very carefully. The manual's right here. Woohoo! There you go. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Check that out. How awesome could it get? But we are going to ogle at this later. We are going to assemble them really quick, and then that's about it. So I'm putting this one here. This one goes right here. You have to be very careful with these guys. With the Max Ray, just right there. Back. Standing tall. This one goes right in here. Okay, you have to be very careful that it won't pop, because there's a twisty action. If you twist this will go, this one will fly like that. This one goes here, maybe here, and this one goes right here. My golly, like a kid again. It's amazing how this set in particular is very, very sturdy. You know, after all these years, this whole thing functions like it was made just yesterday. So we're assembling the line very quick, very quick. Like so. Woo. Nothing beats the feeling of assembling these toys as they are. Oh, it's a little loose, right? Not complaining. Oh, there you go. It's not actually loose. It's working. And put in the missile here in the middle. Okay, there you go. That's Ace McCloud for you. Oh, they look really great. This one's Jake Rockwell. And now that. This one's right here. It's here. Like so. Okay. Be very careful. Careful, careful, careful. Whew. This one tends to be a little loose. Put it here anyway. Clips in right nice and snug. And this one, this little gimmick, this one actually flies. This one, putting it right there. Be very careful. Whoops. Put it right in the middle. It's amazing how these toys are so sturdy after all of these years. Check that out. Okay. And last one with Doc Terra. With his weapon system. And there you go. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen. The Centurions in all their 80s glory. Weapons beamed down by Skyvault through Crystal Kane, their friend, who was in that spaceship with Jake's dog, I guess, and the orangutan. And these three will be fighting these guys so that they could win the battle against evil. Amazing, amazing toys, guys. Everything's complete, nothing's lacking. I'm thankful for this great blessing from the Lord that He has given me these toys, this opportunity to have them again. And yeah, pretty humbling. It's pretty humbling how we have them. These guys were a big part of my childhood, particularly in the 90s when they were being shown in Cartoon Network. Okay, now they're here. The Centurions, Man and Machine Power Xtreme. I'll say, well, actually, there's so many toy reviews about this lineup already. Everything about these toys have already been said, but in my case, I must say that today's July 19, 2022. I'm very happy that I have them again after losing them 4 years ago. And yeah, what a blessing. Come around. We've come full circle with these toys, and we're back. Thank you, Lord, for these toys. Guess I passed the test. Alright, so these are the toys by Kenner. This is probably the top one toy line for me. Second one is the Dark Knight collection. You know, the toys in which Michael Keaton was depicted as Batman. But this one's like really goes number one for me. I mean, if you're a little boy, a kid who loves gadgets and stuff, and you know, adventure, assembling these toys, there's no greater feeling than that. And I have to admit, when I was a kid, I never had these toys, and then I acquired them when I turned 30, and now I'm 37, and after losing them for 4 years, here we are. I have them again, and thank you, Lord, for these toys. That's it for me. This is the Centurions toy line from 1986. Nothing beats the original. There's another toy line made the same way by this one, especially these three by Ramen Toy. Yeah, they kind of look awesome, but nothing beats the original, right? Can't duplicate the feeling, sturdiness, everything. Nothing beats these guys. And so yeah, on my end, I wish you all well, and I thank the Lord for these toys. And yeah, these are the Centurions Man and Machine Power Xtreme. I'll see you guys soon. That was my toy review, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Peace out. God bless you all. Bye.